Colors on this thing are sweet. Let's take a closer look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ridge XR Deluxe HVAC. It's a two-door side-by-side that's built for riders who want comfort, control, and serious off-road performance. This machine is powered by a 999cc inline four-cylinder engine designed by Kawasaki with selectable power modes that let you dial in the ride depending on the terrain. Whether you're working on rugged ground or heading out for a weekend adventure, it's smooth, responsive, and ready to go. Inside the full cab, you've got heat and AC to keep you comfortable no matter what season. The contoured bench seats give you support for long rides, and the adjustable driver's seat helps you find the perfect fit. There's extra storage under the passenger seat, a center hand grip for added stability, and two cup holders for convenience. The Ridge XR also features electronic power steering and a high-quality fit and finish that really stands out. It feels solid, refined, and built to last. What more could you ask for? From the smart layout to the premium ride feel, this side-by-side is all about making every trip more enjoyable. Kawasaki really nailed it out of the park, giving a great balance between power, comfort,